Did Big B borrow 21 crores from his daughter-in-law once? Amitabh Bachchan is one of the greatest actors of Bollywood, and the Bachchan family is one of the most popular families in Bollywood. The Bachchan family is very much conscious about their public image, and that is why they always try to hide their secrets. But nothing keeps a secret in this industry of Bollywood, and every news eventually comes out in public. A shocking news has been doing the rounds that Shahenshah of Bollywood has borrowed money from none other than his daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai. The Bachchan family tried to keep this news a secret as it was hamper the prestige of Amitabh Bachchan, so they tried hard to keep this news between their family. Big B is one of the most veteran actors in Bollywood, and he is known as Shahenshah of Bollywood industry with many hit movies under his names. Then, what made this veteran versatile actor to borrow a huge amount of money from his daughter-in-law? Let us find out in this video. Big B has been in the industry for many years now and has given us many hits, but just like any other actor, he has also gone through many ups and downs. There was a time in Amitabh Bachchan's life when his movies were not working well and he gave back-to-back flops. According to reports, the actor took huge loans from many people then and failed to repay them because of his financial condition then. Aishwarya was already their daughter-in-law then, and her Bollywood career was amazing and she was getting back-to-back movie offers. But on the other hand, Amitabh Bachchan's condition was so bad that he was not able to pay his income taxes, which led to a raid by IT department at his house. This is why he decided to take financial help from his superstar daughter Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who gave him a huge amount of money. As per the reports, Aishwarya gave Amitabh Bachchan more than 21 crores rupees to help him income taxes and all. Shocking reports from some daily newspapers have revealed that the veteran actor once borrowed money from many sources. Amitabh Bachchan is currently drowned in debts for more than 100 crore rupees, which he is not able to repay. And apparently, those 104 crore rupees, 21 crores is Aishwarya's money which Big B has borrowed from her. Jaya Bachchan's affidavit has revealed these shocking details about Big B's financial condition. It also reveals that the actor also borrowed 50 crore from his son Abhishek Bachchan. Veteran actor and his wife are idols and inspiration to many people, and their attempt to avoid tax was not at all expected from them.